Hey, what's up everyone? It's Garrett, real estate agent in Fort Collins in northern Colorado. And today we're gonna be touring this ranch style home listed for $900,000. It's in La Porte area, which is about 15-20 minutes outside of Fort Collins. Sits on 35 acres and is listed for $900,000. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk you around the area, kind of show you kind of some aspects of the home, and then we'll take you through the home and we'll check it out. It is a 5-bed, 3-bath ranch style with a basement, completely finished. And so let's check it out. So as you can see, there's the home. This home sits on 35 acres. As you can see, there's this road right there and comes into the driveway right there. So as I just keep panning around to kind of show you the little acreage, that's where the property line, just above the fence by those lilac bushes, is their north part, and it goes to those hills. And then as I show you the back side of this home, you'll see more of the acreage. Again, it sits on 35 acres. It is a 5-bed, 3-bath home. This is listed by the group for $900,000. And as I just kind of walk you around the exterior of the home, it's very well kept, very well manscaped. Those things. So this home is propane and is on a well, and also has septic as well. So if that's something that concerns you or you have more questions about that, please feel free to hit me up. All my information's in the description box below. I'd love to answer any questions. But as we're walking through the back, as you can tell, the owners have taken great pride in their home. So this is the deck off the back here. As you can see, as I continue to walk in the back here, kind of those 3 poles out there, as you can see, there's 3 there, there's 2 more. That's kind of the property line. It goes up through that valley right there. There is a natural pond, and this 35 acres allows all kinds of animals, everything except hogs. So looking for horses, dogs, sheep, goats, whatever you might like, it applies for all. Right now there are 10 horses on the property. They are the neighbors, but it just shows you how big it is. I don't even see the horses, so. But let's go walk through the home and I'll show you a little bit of it. So as we walk into the home, it opens up to the living room area. And the flooring is hickory flooring. They got hickory cabinets in the kitchen. As we walk in to the dining room area, got a nice little island, granite countertops. Like I said, all hickory appliances, stainless steel appliances. I'm sorry, hickory cabinets, stainless steel appliances. And as that, we'll walk through the main floor of this ranch style home with the basement. It does have 3 baths, 3 bedrooms up top. And then as we enter the main, which is on the main bedroom, on the main floor, as it's connected to the deck, as you can see. And has a walk-in closet, the shower's to the right. So this home is very beautiful and taken care of. And it's about 3,500 square feet. It's built in 1995. And that, just want to give you a little more detail. We're going to walk downstairs and I'll show you what they did. This was just remodeled about a year ago. And so let's check it out. So as we walk downstairs, it comes into kind of the laundry room. And this is just the boiler and those things. So again, this is on hot water for heat. Kind of an entertainment center, really, is how they have it set up right now. But yeah, great little wet bar, completely finished basement. It is 2 more rooms down here, so a total of 5 bedrooms. This was used for an office, or is right now, for the current owners. And then they got another one across the way there. It's a smaller room, but a total of 5 rooms. There's another half bath right here. And then this other bedroom, so. But yeah, I mean, this is an absolutely gorgeous home. It sits on 35 acres, very peaceful. You only have 3 other neighbors really that use the road that come up to the driveway in this location. So, I mean, that's pretty much the tour. Again, this is a 3,500 square feet home, just above that. 5 bed, 3 bath. It is on a water heater system. It's on a well and septic. Something I didn't show you was it is a 3-car oversized garage. And as I walk back upstairs, all that was remodeled by the owners. He's been in carpentry and cabinetry for, I said, like the last 30 years. So everything is to code and those things. But yeah, this is absolutely just a gorgeous house. And if you have any questions, I'm looking for a place on acreage, animals, horses, quiet, but beautiful. I mean, you got no one around you, so if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Shoot me an email, call, or text, or book a Zoom call with me, as I'd love to chat with you and help you make your move as smooth as possible to northern Fort Collins or Colorado area. But yeah, this home is listed by the group. The agent is Jenna Golden for $900,000. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up. But until next time, have a great week.
Thank you.